Hey, welcome back, scholars, to Mr. Brandon's writing lesson. So this week we're talking about the things that we can do to stay healthy and strong. Today, the topic is about sleep and why it's important to get enough sleep at night. Before we start our lesson, though, scholars, we need to take out our supplies first. So go ahead and pause the video and take out your pencils and paper. So, scholars, do you ever feel really tired throughout the day and you miss out on really fun activities like playing with your friends or going out to the movies or something like that? Today we're going to be watching a video that's going to explain to us how we can avoid this and make sure that we have enough energy throughout the day to feel healthy and strong. So let's start off by warming up our brains. Get nice and warm here. Kindergarten, I have a sentence for you, and you're going to start off by copying the sentence. My sentence is, Mr. Brandon goes to bed on time, which is true. And you know, even most times, Mr. Brandon goes to bed early because Mr. Brandon loves his sleep. All right, and first grade, I'm going to erase the sentence here and I'm going to rewrite it, and you're going to edit it because it's not going to be correct. First grade, check this out. So I wrote, Mr. Brandon goes to bed on time, but some things don't look right in the sentence, right? So let's take a look, and in a second we're going to pause our videos, and I want you to edit this, and we're going to check our answers together, okay? So go ahead and pause the video and start editing this sentence. Alright, so kindergarten, you copied the sentence. In first grade, we're going to edit this sentence. So we have Mr. Brandon goes to bed on time. Now let's start off with this right here. So this is not a capital M. So we need to make that a capital M to start off the sentence. And let's look at this right here. So this is a lowercase b, and we always have capital letters to start off people's names, right? So we need to make this a capital B. So it's a capital B for Brandon. So let's cross that out. And then let's take a look at this next word here, goes. I don't think that's spelled correctly. So let's cross that out and let's spell it the way that it's supposed to be spelled, which is G-O-E-S. Now, to bed on time. That looks good to me. But this last part here, that doesn't look like the correct punctuation. So this is a comma, and I think it should be a period. So I circled the period for you so you can see that. All right, so that's what it should look like. Awesome job. Our brains are nice and warm. Let's watch a video. So our video is going to be about why it's important to get sleep. So let's watch it together and find out what it has to say about getting enough sleep at night. Welcome back, scholars. So we just got done watching our video on the benefits of sleeping enough at night. And what did we learn from that video, from our old friend the talking pine cone, or whatever we want to say that thing is? Let's think about it. So we learned a lot, but I'm not going to give you all the answers. I want you to remember what you watched from that video. So scholars, I'm going to give kindergarten here in a second a prompt, and I want you to pause on the prompt. You're going to write one sentence telling us how you feel when you don't get enough sleep at night. Now, first grade, you're going to go a step further. You're going to write one sentence without a prompt telling us how you feel when you don't get enough sleep at night. We're going to write another sentence telling us why it's important to get enough sleep at night using evidence from the video that we just watched. All right, let's do it. I'll see you guys back here in a second. Answer time. All right, let's do it. So, kindergarten, you should have had something like this. When I don't sleep, I feel tired. So that's just what I wrote, but you could have different answers for that. So when I don't sleep, I feel tired. First grade, you should have had something like kindergarten's response for the first sentence. And for the second sentence, this is what I wrote. So we restate the question and say, it is important to sleep so I can grow. So that's what I wrote, but there are a lot of different benefits of sleeping, so you could have written so many different answers. All right, guys, so thank you so much for joining me today for Mr. Brandon's writing lesson. We had a lot of fun learning about why it's important to sleep at night. Make sure you guys are getting enough sleep at night so you can grow up and be big and strong and feel energized throughout the day. Now, guys, I want to remind you of our competition that we're having. So it's really important to get on Lexia and Zern every day and get as many minutes as you can on that throughout the week so that you can win our competition You have to have the most minutes on Lexia or Zern throughout the week this week. All right? So, the winners of our competition are going to be featured in one of my videos for next week. So, it's going to be a fun prize. So, make sure you guys are logging on to Lexia and Zern. All right, guys. So glad to see you today. I will see you again tomorrow for another writing lesson. Have a great rest of your day.